If the laser position is off, we need to make adjustments. Make sure the base plate screws are tight. When the laser position is wrong, you need to think clearly about how to turn the mirror to adjust the laser position correctly. In the situation in the video, how do you think the mirror needs to be adjusted? We can loosen the screws here, or tighten the screws here. We unscrew the nut so that the screw can be tightened in. Keep making adjustments until the laser position is correct. Adjust this mirror. This screw controls the spot go left or right. Clockwise rotate, go left. Anti-clockwise rotate, go right.
现在重新测啊，然后这不是要拉架了吗？OK， 你看这两点就没有重合，
说明什么？说明那儿说明那儿不挤。
The far and near laser points are different, indicating that the laser is not parallel to the moving direction. Think clearly and keep adjusting. Then, now we test the. If the laser position deviates too much, you can block a piece of paper to know which direction the laser is deflected. This time we need to let the laser point pass through the center of the hole, and the laser positions at the four corners are consistent. Adjust the 4 screws above to make the laser mark in the middle of the circular mark. Do not adjust the 2 spring-loaded screws. After repairs are complete, reinstall the machine.